Hey, Tony with Springfield Leather. I want to show you how to print out a digital pattern. You can see here we have the shave roll pattern, and we are going to print it out. It is on one big piece of paper you can see here, and that's okay. We don't want to resize it or do anything different. We're just going to click. I'm using Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, which is a free download from Adobe, and we're just going to click on Print. And you can see that my printer has popped up here. I have another printer that I can use, and I'll switch to it, and it will still do the same thing. A couple things I want to make sure of is on my Advanced tab here, I want to make sure that I am not printing as an image. You can see I can't even click it on there. That's okay. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're at 100%, and we're going to do the poster. You might come in and it might be on size, and you don't want to shrink or oversize. You want to do actual size, and you can see it cannot print on that area. So we're going to do it as a poster, and we can overlap, make our cut marks and things like that. And it's going to print out, and it's going to have little cut marks where you can see where you can put this back together and then cut it out and put it on Bontex as you wish. A little bit different printer menu in this other one that I have here, but you can still see that we have the size and the poster setup. Also, make sure that that is clicked off on that advanced menu. And that is how you print it out. You would send it to your printer. You can also take it to any of the large format printing places that you have, UPS store, Kinko's, FedEx. I think Home Depot prints it. Wherever you can get something printed out, if you don't have a printer at your house, that's how you can do it on the 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper. Thanks so much and enjoy your pattern.